going on, everybody of YouTube? It's Dad here from Dad's Simply Cooking. And today we are making chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. You clicked on the video, you saw the pasta salad. That's right, chicken bacon ranch pasta salad. And honestly, it might disappear faster than your paycheck at Walmart, okay? This thing's gonna be creamy, cheesy, and just all around delicious. You're gonna be standing at your fridge about midnight, checking on it, eating it up. This is gonna be the perfect thing to bring to the cookout, for a family meal, for just whatever you want it to be. It's different, it's unique, and it's fun. So grab your ingredients, hit the subscribe button, and let's get rolling.
Okay, going.
For this recipe, you're going to need some noodles, okay? Noodles. So, what we're going to do is we're going to get a pot and we're going to fill it with water. So, we can't pour this into the water just yet. We got to get that water boiling. So, when steam starts coming off the water, it's going to say, "Feed me noodles, please." So, right now, we're going to make this disappear. Okay, ready? Vanished. Our water is on the stove until we get to a boil. Once we get to a boil, we'll add a little bit of salt, a little bit of butter. Yeah, we need chicken, we need it cooked, and we need it chopped, and we need it seasoned. Bacon. And listen, if your bacon isn't crispy, we need to have a conversation. Preheat your oven to about 400 degrees, and we're gonna get some crispy bacon. Now you can throw, some red tomatoes in there. You can throw some onions in there. The choice is yours to be adventurous if you want. You can use some chives, chop them up, put them in there. It's whatever you want. Let's get this chicken just right. I got 2 thick chicken breasts, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them in half. Just like that, fillet it. Yeah, we're going to fillet it. We'll see, we're going to chop these up into little pieces. I know. They're not going to be little. And I'm going to scoot these on in there to the pan. So I'm going to put some salt down on my chicken. Aspen's going to do the pepper. Good job. And then some seasoning salt. Or some seasoning, just all-purpose seasoning. And then we're also going to add in some ranch seasoning packet. Packed full of flavor. We're just going to cut this just like that. Okay. What's behind your ear? It's butter. And we're going to put the lid on it, okay? Because we're going to let it cook down. The only thing that bacon does is make every bad decision slightly good, okay? So here I have some applewood bacon. So my bacon. I know you are. That's why I gave it to you.
I'll read this one out.
All right. Right there.
Come on here.
So we're going to put our bacon in the oven. We'll check on our chicken.
That was good.
Doesn't it smell good?
Oh, that's good.
So our water is boiling. I'm going to add some salt to it now that it's starting to boil. Toss it to the bowl. Right, our bacon is out the oven. Checking on the chicken. Are you doing coloring, baby? Now we gotta chop the chicken, start assembling everything. Good old crispy bacon. Look at that. Oh, just perfectly crisp. So my pasta, I ran cold water over it to get it to quick cooking. Added in time to cheese. Perfect. Ranch. Throw a little bit of chives on in there. And y'all, chicken, bacon, ranch with some cheese, pasta salad. Now, if you want to add like some cherry tomatoes, whatever to this, you can. Okay. There's really a fair amount of choices that you could do. It's raining and I don't have cherry tomatoes. So that's why you don't see cherry tomatoes. Chicken ranch Alfredo. And I'm going to eat that. Chicken bacon ranch, pasta salad. Do what you will with it, okay? Could be dangerous. Might not be up your alley. It's different. It's something good. Never really had pasta salad. Not a big fan of it. But that's good. Now that's done, assembled, put in your fridge. Come back to a little bit later and enjoy. Y'all, you will do me a huge favor, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you at the next family barbecue with a plate of this.